a lucrar de contribuir.
Today I will show you how to quickly and easily clean the particulate filter or DPF on a Chevrolet Lacetti with a diesel engine. If you use the promo code TUTORIALAUTO, you will benefit from a 20% discount on the GerTechTeile DPF Cleaner. Here I made a small demonstration with a piece of the particle filter over which I poured this GerTechTeile DPF Cleaner. As you can see, it acts as soon as it comes into contact with the filter piece. This 2008 Chevrolet Lacetti no longer has power and check engine warning light is on. That's why we did a diagnosis to make sure that we don't have any errors on the injectors, the turbocharger or the EGR valve, which could negatively influence the operation of the DPF filter. First step is to leave the engine running until the water temperature reaches 90 degrees Celsius. Then we will do a short check with the pressure gauge to see the pressure in the particle filter. And for this we need to locate the differential pressure sensor on the Chevrolet Lacetti. It is located behind the engine. To get to the differential pressure sensor, we will have to disassemble some parts from the engine. So, after creating more space behind the engine, we will move on to install the pressure gauge to the back pressure hose. The counter pressure hose is always the one with a greater thickness. In this case, it is the one on the left side. At maximum RPM, we have a value of about 290 millibars, which means that the DPF filter is putting up quite a lot of resistance, and that is a clogged particle filter. The next step is to stop the engine and put the GerTechTeile cleaner into the exhaust manifold through the same hose. Here we have the GerTechTeile DPF cleaner that also comes with an apply kit containing an orange adapter and a hose through which the solution is poured into the particle filter. The hose also comes with an adapter for the lambda or oxygen sensor, in case I want to put the DPF cleaner there or using the temperature sensor to which I have access to. I connect the orange adapter to the bottle cap, then connect the hose to the pressure sensor and start pouring the DPF cleaner into the exhaust manifold of the car with the engine off. You should know that the DPF cleaner features a neutral chemical formula that does not affect plastic or the precious metals inside the DPF filter, gold, platinum, palladium, rhodium, maintaining its filtering capacity after cleaning. "100% guaranteed results or your money back." If you send a video of the cleaning procedure done following all the instructions correctly and you don't get a value lower than what you started with, you will get your money back. If you use the promo code TUTORIALAUTO, you will benefit from a 20% discount on the GerTechTeile DPF solution. Find the link below in the video description. You can already see that the car has started to take the white smoke out from the exhaust pipe. This means that the DPF cleaner has started to work, vaporizing all the hydrocarbons and removing the ash from the particle filter. The GerTechTeile DPF cleaning solution was used and tested in more than 1,300 car repair shops from Europe. A bit of dirt from the filter has even collected in the orange adapter. Then I have to wait for the DPF cleaner to work for about 15 minutes with the engine off. I install back the counter pressure hose and the other parts from above the engine so that we can start the engine. The second step is to start the car and let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes without revving the engine. When the white smoke no longer comes out, I turn the engine on and leave it running at 2,500 RPM for a few minutes to start cleaning again the DPF filter. You can see the white smoke still coming out. This cleaning process with the GerTechTeile DPF cleaner can be done in less than 60 minutes, in a car repair shop or even in your garage. The GerTechTeile DPF cleaner was used and tested in more than 1,300 car repair shops from Europe. The last step is to do a new check with the pressure gauge and see if after cleaning, the value has decreased. That's right, it dropped to 190 millibars, which means the DPF cleaner did its job. This value will decrease even more after driving the car daily. So, as a short conclusion, 1. The GerTechTeile DPF cleaner works efficiently and fast. We demonstrated that GerTechTeile DPF cleans the particle filter right from the moment it is inserted on the hose from the differential pressure sensor. 2. The advantage is that you don't have to remove the particle filter from the car. Cleaning is done with the DPF filter mounted on the car. As you have seen, the cleaning process is quick and easy, in just 40 to 50 minutes. 3. Cleaning the particle filter with the GerTechTeile DPF cleaner can also come with a big plus, fuel economy. If the car has a clogged DPF and normally consumes 10 liters per 100 kilometers and you travel 50,000 kilometers per year, this solution can reduce consumption by up to 10%. You save 1 liter of gas per 100 kilometers. 4. No more DPF off or delete. This costs more money than cleaning and it is illegal to drive with DPF off. Also, the car's resale value will likely be lower due to these modifications. 5. It will help you save money. A clogged filter can cause damage to the differential pressure sensor, damage to the turbocharger, exhaust valves, lambda or oxygen sensors, and more. All these parts are expensive and require time to replace. 6. Of course, there are many DPF cleaners on the market that can be used to clean the DPF filter, but the one from GerTechTeile that I just used and I know is effective, acts quickly and nevertheless maintains the filtering capacity even after cleaning without to affect the precious metals inside. Note that you can buy this GerTechTeile DPF cleaner using the code TutorialAuto to get a 20% discount from the price. Find the link below in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, TutorialAuto. Thank you for watching.